Holy crap, guys. I think I just found legit flat earth proof. I was out shopping and parked on the 4th floor of this parking garage in North Scottsdale, and when I looked out, way off in the distance, I could see some mountains. So I opened the compass app on my phone, lined it up, and then looked at Google Maps to see what mountain it was, and it turns out it was Mount Lemmon in Tucson, Arizona, about 105 miles away from where I was. So if Earth's curved, how can I see something that's 105 miles away? That must mean Earth is flat. I was in this parking garage here, so we have the elevation of 1476. So here's Mount Lemmon. You can kind of see here 2794 meters, or about 9150 feet. So I plugged all that into Walter Bislin's Advanced Earth Curvature Calculator. So we got the observer height about 1500 feet. I did that because I was on the 4th floor of the parking garage. We've got the 105 miles away, 9,150 foot mountain. And here's what we get. Hidden should be 2,211 feet. So when I zoom in over on the right of that, we've got Mount Lemmon, and then there's this saddle that almost touches the ground or the horizon there. And 2 UFOs, but those aren't really UFOs. I messed with the contrast so we could really get a defined line here. And I'll zoom in and you can see what I'm talking about, where the saddle is close to the ground. Now here's the information on Google Earth. Here's where I was, North Scottsdale. Here's Mount Lemmon. We can see the elevation chart. Here's the distance, 105 miles. But what we're going to do is get this angle that I'm viewing. So I'm viewing it at about that angle. And there's the saddle that we see. So we have to ask ourselves, how come in my picture, this saddle is almost touching the ground? Where is the rest of this mountain? We can see all this, then this almost touches our horizon, and then we see this clearly. So yeah, we have 2,000 some odd feet of the mountain missing. So once you go beyond the I see it test, and you actually test and check numbers, Earth matches the globe 99.99999% of the time. To any flat earthers that actually made it this far in the video, stop letting people on the internet fool you. Just remember, people want to fool you. So quit believing what other flat earthers just say because they're other flat earthers or they claim to be. Now to any flat earthers that actually want to do any measurements, tests, experiments themselves, I'll help you with anything you want. Let me know. We can try to solve some problems and do some tests. Lots of tools are free. Math is relatively simple and results are always consistent with the globe. Test any claim yourself. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk on oh no, another long distance observation that I made firsthand proves the globe yet again.